Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture about the strings. First, we would like to discuss what the string is in programming. So a string in programming is a data type. You see it here, it's a reserved keyword. It's a data type used to represent a sequence of characters or letters, numbers, symbols, or spaces. So in simpler term, a string is like a sentence or word. For example, this hello word here is a string because it contains a sequence of characters and they are enclosed in double quotes. So in order to initialize a string, we need the keyword string. It's the data type. It's the name of the string here. It's str. In the double quote, we are having our string here. So in order to be able to have the length or the size of our string, we can use the predefined length function of the C++. So using the name of the string, then point and the length with empty parentheses, it is going to give us the size or length of this string. Let us run. So it is saying that the length is 13, but how? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13. So as you see here, everything between this double quote is counted. Even the space here is counted, even the comma here is counted, even the mark here is counted. So everything that is between these two uh, double quote is going to be counted as to be the length of the string. So I would say my string, and then I'm telling you Reza. So this is our new string, and when the the length of the second string is, then we are having str, or sorry, my string dot length and del. So this is not correct, sorry. So now I initialized a new string type that is called my string, and in the double quotes it's Reza. So in order to have the length, I am just putting the name of the string, point the length empty with empty parentheses function. So it's predefined in C++ and it's going to count it. So the length of the second string is 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 letters here or spaces or numbers here. So the length is 4. If we had one number here, it should have been 5. Now you see the length of the second string is 5. So basically, this length function is going to give us the size or the length of the string very easily. Thank you very much.